So to get your car into four-wheel drive mode without damaging it, turn the selector to four-wheel high and then put the car into neutral gear. And you may, like on this Toyota, hear some things making noise, and then you'll see the 4 high light come on. Now in order to lock the front and rear diffs, look for a button like this one. Press it, stay in neutral, you might hear some clink clanks, and then the diff lock will come on. If you're stuck, and only if you're stuck somewhere, push in and go to 4 low, and that'll activate the low gear on the truck, giving it maximum torque to get you out of sticky situations. Do not use 4 low on the highway. It can cause some damage to your car and mess things up. If you find that the car won't fully disengage, slip it in drive for a second and let it roll very slowly to see if the gears will help mesh. Thanks for watching.